right, so last night was at the track there, the circuit, making a lap, and I think it destroyed one of my tires. Check it out. It's really, really to the cores here. You can actually see them. Yeah, this tire anyway was due. Was on the wear bar. Now these are the Michelin Pilot Super Sport, the 255 40 20s, and these specs are the Porsche spec. And the reason you know this is because you can actually see the Porsche mention here with, where are they? Here it is. So on the Pilot Super Sport, you have the NO specifications, and the NO specifications is quite different than the standard 255/40 from Pilot Super Sports. Here, have a look. This is the NO specification, and this is the standard 255/40. There's actually half an inch in difference of width. Now these is my stack of tire, and I'm looking this morning to actually try to figure a set to replace them. Yeah, I have a couple of choices. I have the 265/35. I had them last summer, and it was scraping a lot, so took them off. I really like the handle of it because it really lowered the car, but if you're street driving it, it's just too low. Scrape everything, so that's a no-go for me for this time. I have two new 255/40, the regular. This is one of my spare. I have one spare of the 255/40 NO. I could just replace my front with this one. Although all four of them are pretty, they're dead. They're all dead, but they're not damaged, at least. The other three are not damaged, so I could just replace this one with this one. That'd be pretty simple. Or I could mismatch a couple of them. I could use my two 255s, brand new ones. And these are the 285/35, and the 285/35 are 11.5 inch wide and 27.25 inch tall. So they're pretty much the same height as these. These are 27.3/8. So just a little bit lower, but the 285 on a 9-inch rim is pretty tight. It's doable, but sometimes under hard acceleration, and especially on the street, you feel it. You know, it's just it's a little bit tight on this rim. Not sure I want to go back to that setup. And finally, I have this one here, and this is the 255/45.